Welcome back to RV World, your go-to destination for the finest in recreational vehicles, luxury travel, and living spaces that move and inspire. If you're passionate about exploring the world in style or dreaming of living in elegance, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a moment of what we bring to life. Today, we're stepping into something truly extraordinary, a brand new luxury house that redefines modern elegance and comfort. This isn't just a house, it's a statement of refined taste, custom design, and thoughtful detail. Whether you're an RV owner dreaming of a home base, or just someone who appreciates fine living, this one will impress. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with stunning curb appeal. The architecture is sleek and contemporary, combining clean lines with natural textures, glass, stone, and wood, in a way that feels both welcoming and sophisticated. The front entry is grand, with oversized pivot doors that open into a space filled with natural light and soaring ceilings. Step inside, and you're immediately drawn into an open-concept layout that blends indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. The living room features floor-to-ceiling windows that slide open entirely, allowing you to walk out onto a covered patio with a full outdoor kitchen, a cozy fire pit, and a resort-style pool and spa. This space is made for entertaining or simply relaxing in luxury. Back inside, the interiors are nothing short of breathtaking. Every corner is finished with premium materials, wide plank hardwood flooring, designer lighting, and imported stone. The color palette is a soft mix of neutrals, accented by rich textures and architectural detail that add depth and interest without ever overwhelming the space. The kitchen is a true showpiece. It's not just a place to cook, it's an experience. You'll find double islands, quartz countertops, a full wall of custom cabinetry, and top-of-the-line appliances from brands like Miele and Sub-Zero. There's also a hidden pantry, perfectly integrated into the design. Whether you're hosting a gourmet dinner or just grabbing coffee in the morning, this kitchen is ready to deliver. Just off the kitchen is a dining area framed by large windows, offering incredible views of the backyard and letting in an abundance of natural light. Nearby, a temperature-controlled wine wall serves both as a functional storage feature and a striking piece of interior art. Let's talk about the Master Suite, a private sanctuary that rivals any five-star resort. It's tucked away for maximum privacy, with its own fireplace, private patio, and spa-like ensuite bathroom. The bathroom features a freestanding soaking tub, dual vanities, a rainfall walk-in shower, and even heated floors. There's also a massive walk-in closet with custom built-ins that feel more like a boutique showroom than a wardrobe space. The home includes several other bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. Whether you have guests, children, or need a home office or gym, these flexible spaces are designed with both luxury and functionality in mind. One of the highlights of this luxury house is the smart home integration. Nearly every system, lighting, climate, security, and even entertainment, can be controlled via smartphone or voice command. It's convenience and security, all built into the design from day one. And if you're working remotely or running a business from home, the executive office will make you forget you're not in a corporate suite. Built-in shelving, soundproof walls, and advanced tech integration make it perfect for video calls, creative work, or quiet concentration. For entertainment, you'll love the state-of-the-art media room with tiered seating, surround sound, and acoustic paneling. There's also a game room, complete with a custom bar, pool table, and lounge area that opens directly to the backyard. Speaking of the backyard, it's designed for total enjoyment. The pool features an infinity edge, sun shelf, and custom lighting. The landscaping is lush yet low maintenance, and the entire space is framed for maximum privacy and tranquility. And yes, there's room for your RV. A custom-built garage with oversized doors, electrical hookups, and drainage is perfect for storing your motorhome or luxury coach. Whether you're on the road or at home, your RV lifestyle doesn't have to stop. This luxury house isn't just about the beauty, it's about lifestyle. Every inch is designed to enhance your daily experience, combining aesthetics, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in one remarkable package. If this is your kind of dream home, let us know in the comments. We love hearing your thoughts and ideas. Would you live here full-time, use it as a home base between RV trips, or make it your ultimate vacation property? Thanks for joining us today on RV World. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want more luxury tours, RV features, and dream home inspiration, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you on the road, or maybe right here, in your next dream home. Safe travels and luxury living from all of us at RV World.